Hi there, I'm going to show you how to make a quick little pocketbook that you can take on your adventures if you're going on nature walks. Adding what you find to it is just 3 sheets of 8.5 by 11 paper. Any color will do, whatever you have on hand, scissors, hole punch, and a bit of twine. So first you're going to take your paper, fold it up to wherever you want, as long as it's square on the edges. Get a nice crease all the way across. Grab your next sheet of paper, and you want to try and keep it lined up the same. So use that one as a template to kind of see where you had your first fold and match them up so that all the pockets will be similar. Give that a good crease across. So if we're using 3 sheets of paper, I've got my first 2 done. The third one is going to be my cover, like we had here. Remember, the cover didn't have a pocket, but we are going to still fold it at that same height as the others and then trim it. And that's where the scissors come into play. Okay, so you crease your third one. Go ahead and uncrease it, and then just use the scissors. You cut straight across there. All right. Now to make your pockets, you want to take one of them with the pockets facing you so that they're on the outside and fold it in half. And then give that a nice crease. And do the same for your other one, other set of pocket pages. Okay, and then we're going to be stacking those together. And then for your cover, you're going to be folding it in half so that it's wrapping around. So you fold that one in half here. This is where you would decorate it, say my pocketbook, whatever you want to say. And you're going to gather them together and use your hole punch, or if you don't have a hole punch, use pencils. I'm going to punch it here and then here at the bottom, and that one will be a little trickier because the paper is going to be folded twice as many times. And then just grab your twine or yarn or string, whatever you have on hand, and thread it through your holes. Got that one there, going through here. And then just tie them in a bow or a knot, whatever works for you. Ta-da! And there you go. Now you have another pocketbook with the cover and whatever treasures that you find on your walks or whatever, scraps of paper you want to save, twine, you can put into the pockets there. Just like that. And it is that easy. That is how you make a pocketbook.